David, Melech Yisrael, Chai, Chai v'kayam. David 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 Melech Yisrael, Chai, Chai v'kayam. Well, hi there, Rabbi B here. Great to see ya. You know, that song is one of my favorite songs called David Melech Yisrael, all about King David, the king of Israel. But you know, sometimes I like to play that song on the guitar, and other times I like to play the song on another instrument. Let me show you. The instrument I like to play it on instead of the guitar is the glass cups. Have you ever seen people tapping on cups and making them ring like bells? Well, today I'm going to show you how you can do that yourself. You only need a couple of things. First of all, you're going to need some glass cups. Oh, now for this song, you're going to need 6 glass cups. And the next thing you're going to need is water. I have here a full pitcher of water. We're not going to use that much water, but just enough to fill up the 6 glasses with the right amount of water to make them ring and play different notes. And lastly, it's always good to have something to hit the cups with. I always like using a wooden xylophone mallet. To make it even more fun, I like to add colors to the cup, just to show that each cup is different and will be filled with a different amount of water. And that different amount of water will change the sound of the cup. Let me show you. So we have the red cup, the first cup, filled up almost to the top. The orange, about a ½ an inch down. The yellow, about a full inch down. The green, about 1 inch and a bit down. So again, a little bit lower than the yellow. The blue, again, a little bit lower than the green. I would say the blue is about a little more than halfway of the cup. And purple is about a little bit less than halfway in the cup. You can always check and change. Now, I'm going to take out a little bit of the green because I think I made that a little bit too high, listening to the notes. So let me have a listen. A little off. Let's fill up a little more. Aha. Do, re, mi, fa. All right, that sounds pretty good to me. Do, re, mi, fa. Here we go. Blue, yellow, blue, 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 yellow, blue, purple, blue, green, yellow, orange, red, red, orange, orange, red, red, orange, red, green, yellow, orange, yellow, red, red, orange, orange, red, red, orange, red, green, yellow, orange, red. Let's sing it together. David, Melech Yisrael, Chai, Chai v'kayam. David Melech Yisrael, Chai, Chai v'kayam. David Melech Yisrael, Chai, Chai v'kayam.
Blue, yellow, blue, 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 yellow, blue, yellow, blue, 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 yellow, blue, purple, blue, green, yellow, orange, blue, purple, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. red, orange, orange, red, red, orange, red, green, yellow, orange, yellow, red, red, orange, orange, red, red, orange, red, green, yellow, orange, red, blue, yellow, blue, 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 yellow, blue, yellow, blue, 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 yellow, blue, purple, blue, green, yellow, orange, blue, purple, blue, green, yellow, orange, red, red, orange, orange, red, red, orange, red, green, yellow, orange, yellow, red, red, orange, orange, red, red, orange, red, green, yellow, orange, red, blue, yellow, blue, 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 yellow, blue, yellow, blue, 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 yellow, blue, purple, blue, green, yellow, orange, blue, purple, blue, green, yellow, orange, red, red, orange, orange, red, red, orange, red, green, yellow, orange, yellow, red, red, orange, orange, red, red, orange, red, green, yellow, orange, red, blue, yellow, blue, 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 yellow, blue, purple, blue, green, yellow, orange, red, red, orange, orange, red, red, orange, red, green, yellow, orange, yellow, red, red, orange, orange, red, red, orange, red, green, yellow, orange, red.